Minalungaw National Park in Nueva Ecija draws weekend crowds seeking an affordable summer escape. Mobile journalist Daniel Daya reports.
El Nido of the North. Here in Minalungaw National Park, some of our kapatids are beating the summer heat. Cliff diving, sightseeing, and a quick escape. These are just some of the reasons why tourists are heading to Nueva Ecija this summer. And while fuel prices remain high, some still choose to push through with their weekend plans.
Mas pinili namin ditong ng holiday namin since bukod sa mas malapit na siya, tipid sa gasolina, lalo na ngayon, mas mahal ang gasolina. Ito na yung chance namin makapag-unwind na magkakaibigan and magkaka-workmate.
For many, it's a trip they say is worth every peso, especially for those looking for a more affordable getaway.
This is my first time going here and honestly, sobrang relaxing nga as mentioned by Riri. And then first time ko kasi cliff dive ba tawag doon? Cliff dive for 3 times. Yay! 3 times. And sobrang saya.
We cannot deny the fact that the prices of gas is high, but going here in Minalungaw is worth it, every penny that you spend to your gas.
But for others, enjoying a trip like this still comes with careful budgeting.
And naisipan namin na pumunta dito para ma-experience, makita yung lugar. Maganda naman, kaya lang talaga kailangan ng pera kanda labas mo.
Nakitawad nga kami sa mga fees sa LGU kung pwedeng bawas yung mga fees.
And it's not just the visitors feeling the impact. Even park officials say that tourism has yet to fully recover.
Sa ngayon, yung pagkakataas, talagang malaki epekto sa amin. Daan tao naman yung pumupunta. Pero hindi ka mukha na libo talaga. Basta sa isang linggo, ang pinakaraing tao, Sabado at Linggo lang.
And for local vendors, more tourists simply means more hopeful sales.
Okay naman, nakakaraos sa mga kahit paano, nakakabenta. Medyo pag Sabado at Linggo, malakas.
For now, tourist activity remains weekend-driven, with local businesses and officials hoping for a more consistent flow of visitors, not just on weekends.
Ako naman nananawagan sa buong publiko na sana kahit mataas yung ating diesel, sana po tangkilikan yung pumunta sa aming lugar, sa Minalungaw National Park. Ginagampanan naman ng samahan yung talagang pag-aayos at paglilinis ng parke para sakali mang bumaba ng gustong diesel o gasolina at bumalik yung mga tao, ganun pa rin yung aming lugar.
Kapatid Mobile Journalist Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.